Hi guys! Where do I even begin? Okay, first of all, it has been what, like 2 months? You guys are in much need of a life update, but this video is going to be very simple, short maybe, but there's a theme for this video. We're not just vlogging. I need to update you guys, and also there's something important happening that I'm going to share as well. I got a new phone. Let's just start there. An iPhone. You can tell that I've been using this phone for a while because this transparent is it plastic? It's already changing colors. It's an iPhone 12 and it has the best quote when you open the phone: consume less, create more. I owe you guys an explanation. We started this year together. We're already middle of the year, so we have a tradition on this channel to do a mid-year review. I didn't do it last year because last year I was all myself last year, but that's not this video. It's going to be in the next video. This video is just going to be about just catching up. Let's just catch up. There is like no scripts, no nothing. Let's sit down, let's talk, let's chat. I have my food here with me and I'm about to make myself a drink. So just a rundown, like a very quick rundown. I had a very terrible injury that almost cost me my sight. I had to take an intentional break for a month for my eyes to heal. It's still not completely fully healed, but we're okay. Like I can go back to my regular routine and things like that. Like I can do normal everyday kind of thing, but it's still healing. After my 1 month plus healing, which was since April, I have found it very difficult to get back to routine. If you guys hear construction noise, I'm so sorry. I found it very hard to get back into routine since then, and so I've been scatterbrained all over the place. Also, I told you guys before I left you guys that I am trying to make a career switch. I'm exploring new career options. I'm just trying my hands on a lot of different things. And so that has been taking a lot of my mental space. I've not been doing anything with my hands yet, but I've been in a lot of thinking and planning phase. Honestly, I can't talk right now. My voice is shaking because I don't know how to film anymore. I've been in a lot of thinking and planning phase because I have been trying to get things rolling. I overthink more than I should, but it's time for me to just get started. No more day zeros. As you guys can see right here, I have a chart on my wall that says 30 days of consistency. I'm going to do that together. For the next 30 days, we are going to be doing 30 days of consistency with anything. The reason why this video is important now, and I'm not doing it like on the 1st of July, is because you can pick your day one at any day. In the evening, you can pick your day one today, you can pick your day one anytime. What really holds a lot of people back is that we wait for the perfect time. Like we're waiting for the start of the week, the start of a new month, mid-year, that kind of thing. Like you can start today. The quicker you can take action, the better. If something is not working, you have some wiggle room to change things up early on if you just start today. Anyway, I'm trying to be more consistent with something, which is what I wanted to share with you guys. I'm starting something. I think at the end of the challenge, I'll tell you guys what I'm doing, but probably you guys already know by the title of this video. You know what, I should just say it. Also, I'm going to be doing a few other things. Like I've been tracking my sleep, how early I can wake up every day, and it has been good. Also, apart from that, I bought a new frame. You guys can see that my room has changed up a little bit. I have a flower over here, and it's because I'm trying to add more color. You guys already know I like color. I mean, you might not know because I always wear white and my room is white, but I like colors, and it's also an avenue for me to get back in touch with my creative side because I used to draw and paint a lot when I was growing up. So I'm going to get started with my day. I'm going to eat first because I'm super hungry. Then I'm going to create the 30 days planner. Also, there is a printable that you can download in the description. of the video, so you can download that if you don't want to crazy yourself. I think that's all for the updates. I don't want to talk too much. I'm hoping this video can be at least 6 minutes, and then at most 8 minutes. Like, I don't even want the video to be that long at all. I just want to like say hi, let you guys know I'm still alive. And for all of you that have been reaching out, thank you so much. I didn't even think I was like, I don't know, I didn't think that you guys would be thinking about me to reach out, but like, thank you so much for everyone who reached out. It has been a while, and I'm very grateful for you guys always.